Hello, this is Celina Acosta with eXp Realty, and today I am proud to present my new listing, 70 West Edgemont Avenue in the highly acclaimed Willo Historic District of Phoenix, Arizona. This home is right in the heart of Central Phoenix, where the old and the new collide. Walking distance to museums and restaurants, and in one of the oldest neighborhoods and most coveted historic districts. You will be surrounded by the hustle and bustle of a downtown scene and the amenities and culture that this area has to offer. This landmark has witnessed 100 years of history. Dutch colonial elevation with a balcony and a front porch leading to the main entrance, featuring gorgeous white oak hardwood floors throughout the main floor, a living room with the original brick fireplace as the main focal point, brand new windows throughout, and designer lighting fixtures and finishes everywhere. There is so much natural light. Full kitchen remodel includes new white cabinetry with brass hardware, new stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and white marble backsplash, a large quartz waterfall island, and beautiful brass pendant lights. This home has a finished basement, perfect for a man cave, a secret room, or a wine cellar. You decide. Next to the kitchen is the butler's pantry with more cabinetry and a big butcher's block countertop, and more space for cooking and prepping. Because of the age and unique nature of the home, it was carefully restored and renovated with every new upgrade and detail thoughtfully considered to make it functional while keeping the integrity and character of the house as much as possible. The home is designed for the modern family. It has 3 bedrooms and a den, 4 full bathrooms, and a huge family room. You have to see the amazing views of the city from the balcony and every window upstairs. The big family room has enough space for everyone, and it has a convenient exit to the backyard. Big, fully landscaped backyard with pavers, grass and plants, and a pergola roof, perfect to play and entertain. This home is a true gem with so much to offer and is ready for a new family. This is historic Central Phoenix at its finest.